How to add size chart in Shopify. As you can see, this is the size chart. You can simply add the size chart by using an app. You can also add a recommender as well. If you don't know the exact size, you can also add the recommender and the customers can add their details and the app will tell the recommended size. First of all, install the app in your Shopify store. You can find the app link in the description below. Click on install. Here you can see create your first chart. We need to complete the 3 tasks in order to appear the size chart in Shopify. First of all, create a size chart. Click on add new size chart. Here you can see you can import an existing size chart from CSV file, from product description, from image, from web page or from PDF file. You can also use a template for different products or you can build a size chart from scratch as well. For the demonstration of this tutorial, I am importing a CSV file. Click it here and import a CSV file. You can give your size chart a name. You can also add an image as well. You can add a different section as well, like a video, divider, image, text, cross table, table. You can add a matching condition from here as well. You can use a layout template from here as well. If you want a new template, click it here. You can add a matching condition. Click on products. You can choose the product from here. Click it here. After that, click on save. The second step has completed. Now make your size chart visible on your store. Click on third step. Click on open theme editor. Click on size chart. If you enable it, you can choose the chart where you place the block on the product page. By default, it is available here. After that, click on save. As you can see, here is the size chart. Click it here. Here you can see the size chart. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.